Welcome to AppGeeker, and this is Via. Today's video is about what to do when your iPad won't update. It's a bridge to download and install the software update in Settings app, but you must still can't update your iPad for some reasons. Sometimes iPad shows it's up to date, but it's actually not. Sometimes the unknown software update errors prevent you from updating. Some users also complain that the iPad won't update software because the update is not currently available, or the tablet just can't update past iPadOS 14, 13, 12, or older version. Thankfully, there are always solutions when software update keeps failing in any iPad model like iPad, iPad mini, iPad Air, or iPad Pro. First, check if the iPadOS update is compatible with your iPad model. You can't update to the current iPadOS version in old iPad models like iPad mini 2, iPad mini 3, or the first generation iPad Air because it is not supported. We have put a link in the description below so that you can check it out quickly. If your iPad supports the latest software version, but it won't show up on the Settings app, or the iPad software update keeps failing or not working, there's an easy trick to fix the iPadOS update problem by using iOS system recovery software. After you connect the iPad to the program, it will instantly display the latest iOS or iPadOS software package that's compatible with your current iPad model on the screen. You just need to select the version, and then it will start downloading, extracting, installing the up-to-date software into your iPad on its own. To download the tool, go to appgeeker.com. Under the Products menu, choose iOS System Recovery. Then, get the tool on your PC or Mac and install it. Now launch the tool. From the bottom left of the screen, select More Tools. Next, click iOS System Recovery panel. Here, click the Start button. Use a USB cable to attach your iPad to the computer. Once connected, highlight Standard Mode and click Confirm button. Then you'll see a list of iOS or iPadOS software packages that are supported to your iPad. Just select the latest version and press the Next button to trigger the download process. When the download is complete, click the Fix Now button. Now it will start updating your iPad. Once finished, your iPad will restart. Then go to Settings app, General, Software Update, and you will see your iPad is running the most recent software version. In other cases, the iPad not updating problem can be the result of the lack storage space on your tablet. You can check the left space on your iPad by going to Settings, General, and iPad Storage. Normally, at least 5 GB of free data storage space is required for installing and running the software on your iPad. If it's less than that, delete some unused apps, photos, or other files to free up enough space. Also, to do an OS update on iPad, it should have a stable Wi-Fi connection and be fully charged. Otherwise, it's easy to get corrupted during the update process. If your iPad is stuck when updating, first restart the tablet. In an iPad with Home button, press and hold down both the Home button and the Power button. When you see the app logo, release the buttons and it will turn on later. In an iPad without Home button, quickly press the Volume Up button, the Volume Down button, and then hold down the Power button until the app logo shows and the tablet restarts. Then, go to Settings app or use iOS System Recovery tool to update your iPad again. When you can't see the update on your iPad or is unable to check for update or verify update, you can connect the Apple tablet to the computer and manually update it with iTunes or Finder. If you are using a PC or a Mac running macOS Mojave 10.14 or older version, launch iTunes to update your iPad. For me, as I'm using the latest macOS version, the update should be performed with Finder. Now connect your iPad to the computer and locate it. In Finder, click General tab. If you use iTunes, you need to press Summary from the left sidebar. Click Check for Update. Choose Download and Update. In the pop-up dialog box, enter your lock screen passcode. If during installing the latest OS software update, the iPad screen is dark on the app logo and the progress bar can't move, put your device into recovery mode and then do the update again. We have put a card in the top right corner of the screen to show you how to do that. Alright guys, that's it for why your iPad won't update iOS or iPadOS and how to fix it up. Don't forget to subscribe AppGeeker's channel and comment below to let us know which step that works for you. Also, please give a like to the video and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. See you guys in the next video.